Hey guys, so this is my third time making another video because these kids that were playing Mario Maker and this 5-year-old or 2-year-old.
Don't forget to subscribe.
I just restarted a new thing. I'm just gonna do a Q&A in the backyard.
Q&A, guys.
Kayla,
Wait, do we know what a Q&A is?
yes,
Guys,
questions and answers.
I will be back, guys. I have to use the...
So the question
Again?
is that I get is, why do I exist?
Guys. Look. An apple? It's an ordinary apple. We're gonna light it on fire.
I know what to do. Take this apple. Just gonna
What are you doing?
take it to the chopping block.
Alright, we're gonna take it to the chopping block. We're gonna chop it. I'm taking it to the chopping block.
Hey, can I have that one?
This
Really?
is what we do. We act like it's something. We grab some rocks and put some toppings on it.
Okay, first we have to...
I'm putting
Wait.
the toppings. Apple.
Okay, it's gone. It's gone now.
Don't eat that. Flash. Oh my god. Who just did that? Yeah! Guys, this looks like a jungle. Apple. Let me get it.
Mommy, get it? Okay, let me have it.
I mean, apple? Guys, we're going to show you how to.
Chop up an apple.
An apple. That's nasty. Oh my god, someone lived here before.
What? Yeah.
Left there.
No, that was Slashes.
Is it Flash?
Yeah.
Oh, you letting me. Oh. He just crashed that.
Okay, that was fun.
Guys, you like my telescope?
Okay, so, oh, there's a little guitar.
Oh my god, there's blood on here.
Wait, what? No, that's from the apple.
No, it's not.
Yeah, I crushed the apple. It just turns red.
Guys, there's blood on it.
It's the red.
It's blood.
It's the juice from the apple. So I just found this back here. It's a little guitar thing.
Guys, this is what I do. Here's a wedge. Put the rocks on it.
Number 5. Okay, I'm just gonna read something out that I found. Number 15, Burger King foot lettuce. The last thing you want in your Burger King burger is someone else's foot fungus. That's it. I don't know anything else, so I'm just gonna.
Oh my god, there's rocks falling. Guys, I hope you guys got that video. When we played the last
Let me just check.
Look at Fat.
Okay, no, they didn't. Okay, so, I'm just walking around and talking, so I don't even know why I'm making this video. I just am. Yeah, so here is my random isolated room that I definitely live in. Definitely, no lie. JK, it's actually pretty just pathetic.
I don't know what you're saying to them. Oh my god, this tree's freaking me out. That tree. There's just some rocks in there. That's creepy.
So
I'll be back, guys.
that's it, I guess. Just gonna do the rest of the Q&A, and that's it. Okay, so the question is, do I make videos, like a couple videos every day? From any of you guys on this? Yeah. Yes. The other question is, well, at least a question that I think you would probably ask. The viewer, you, would, is my channel probably become like a Pokemon channel when I can animate and stuff and I'm older? Yes. Probably, yeah. Or at least if I still like Pokemon. Question 3, have I shown my face? Yes. Question 4, have I said my name yet? No. It's Cash James just Cash. Other James part was fake. Cash. Just Cash. That's it. Just Cash. It's my whole name. Definitely. So question 4 is do I live in a crazy house? No.
Are you just making your own video?
The answer to all those questions are yes, no, probably, I don't care. So, the other question that I get asked a lot by my friends is, do you like Pokemon? Yes, very much. Also, my friend asked me, what's your opinion on Fortnite? It's not the greatest game. I'm not gonna do ever gameplay on it because I don't really like the game, but it's okay. Minecraft though is better. And that's it. So I'm gonna wrap it up with a couple seconds of this tree. This tree and this car also. Just gonna do random things until I end it.
Did someone decorate